Hi there, and welcome to Pro Trade Series. Let's get some money. Oh yes, we meet again. Impress your friends by making the most profitable, consistent trades on the markets using probability software to predict the most profitable trades. Yes, that easy. Welcome to Pro Trade Series with your host, me, Peter Galenko, the YouTube channel where you get rewarded for commenting on the videos, so make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's get it started. In this video, I'm going to talk about what arbitrage trading is and an easy way to simplify it. There's a link in the video description to one of the services I'm talking about that you can sign up to for free to centralize all of your exchange accounts into one place if you're interested in getting into arbitrage trading. If you're not familiar with what arbitrage trading is, a simpler way to get started trading might just be using the service I've been talking about at protrade.tools. That just gives you uh, entry prices, target prices, stop loss suggestions. And that is really a simpler, very safe way to trade. But this other service that I'm talking about that is completely free to sign up to centralizes all of your exchange accounts onto one account. And what that allows you to do is arbitrage trading. So, what is arbitrage trading? Let's say that Bitcoin, or Bitcoin's not a great example because there's so much trade volume. Often the rates are pretty much the same on one exchange as it is on another. But let's say another cryptocurrency has shifted in price very quickly on one exchange, but not on another exchange. Sometimes there can be a lag. So a crypto could move up in price or down in price very suddenly, and during that time there can be a difference. And if you are able to trade between exchange accounts very quickly, you can make money on those trades. Back in the day, on the early days of altcoins, uh, this was really fun because some of the low market cap, low trade volume coins often had some of the exchanges that didn't have those coins listed. That had those coins listed. Like there would be some coins that weren't listed on some exchanges, and some that were listed on other exchanges, and some of the ones that didn't have a ton of some of the exchanges with not a ton of trade volume, the coins would make a big move on one exchange, but it would take a little while for that coin to make a move on the next exchange. So you could buy a bunch of that coin real cheap, then cash it out on the other exchange where the price had already moved higher, and make profit that way. Nowadays, with a lot more, and I'm talking about years ago. Nowadays, with it's much more fast-paced market. So you really have to automate these sort of things in order to be successful with arbitrage trading. But there is still profit to be made. There's a link in the video description to SwapX, and that is actually really good to use with the trade juice. That is a panel, hot list panel you can access at protrade.tools. Protrade.tools just gives you a hot list of coins of the day and target prices, and there's a bunch of other traders on that platform aiming for the same target prices, adding in buy support at the same entry that you're buying in at, and it's good. It is based on technical analysis and a whole bunch of different algorithms, in addition to uh, the buy volume from the members themselves doing the same trades. Um, a lot of this stuff to some people might sound too good to be true, but if you understand the mathematics, um, automating arbitrage trading makes a lot of sense. This is the first video I've talked about this other software, but then also the technical analysis automation, which both of these services integrate in a degree. I think Traders does a better job for just regular day trading. SwapX is good for if you want full on automation. And if you really, the work that you have to do with the SwapX one is to do your KYC and get registered on multiple different exchange accounts, because the more accounts you're on, the more opportunities for arbitrage trading could arise and the more money you can make that way. And that is a pretty easy way. It's a competitive space, so it's just a little bit here or there. You're not making 1,000% gains on a trade or something like that, but it's a safe way to trade that automated arbitrage trading. So that's something to check out and consider. And if you're just learning about arbitrage trading, it is not too late in the crypto space to get in on it. So check it out. I can explain so much in this video, but the links can explain a little bit better.